Hello, good afternoon. It certainly was a cold start this morning. Plenty of frosty scenes across the country, and we are expecting further cold weather on its way. There are some Met Office warnings in force. Snow and ice, for example, across parts of Scotland. We're still expecting plenty of snow and sleet showers to feed in across the country. Still a few feeding into North Sea coasts as well. Northern coast of East Anglia, for example, may catch a few wintry flurries. But for many of us, there's actually going to be plenty of dry and fine weather around, plenty of sunshine, though you are going to have to wrap up warm to enjoy it. Highs between 5 and 7 degrees across southern parts of the country, but in Scotland, highs only reaching around 3 to 4 degrees. And with that keen northerly wind, that is going to make things feel even colder. Further warnings in place overnight, particularly across eastern parts of the country. We're expecting icy stretches to develop, particularly under those clear spells into the overnight period. But a change as we head into the southwest with outbreaks of rain, though these could fall as sleet and snow over high ground, and this rain could be heavy at times too. But for many of us, we're going to see plenty of clear skies overnight. So another particularly cold night, plenty of frost to go around in the morning, and those icy stretches too. So do take care if you're out for the Thursday morning commute. Still a risk of those showers, particularly across Scotland, continuing to feed in. These could be heavy at times, and still with outbreaks of rain feeding into parts of the south and southwest. Heavy at times, and once again a risk of sleet and snow over high ground. But once again across a large portion of the country, particularly across central areas, there's going to be plenty of dry, fine weather around, though still feeling cold. Once again, highs of around 5 to 6 degrees in the south, and Scotland still not edging above 3 degrees here. And once again, still a keen northerly breeze around, making things feel even chillier. Now, if you're not a fan of the cold weather, well, there is something milder on the way for the weekend. However, a bit of a caveat. We've got low pressure moving in from the west, and things are going to turn windy and wetter too, with some heavy outbreaks of rain expected by the time we reach Saturday, though it is starting to bring in that milder air if you're not a fan of the cold. For more of your weather updates, if you're watching on YouTube, don't forget you can subscribe. Otherwise, that's it from me. Bye-bye for now.